Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. This is my very first video, so I'm very excited about it. And in this video, I'm going to tell you of why I decided to start my own YouTube channel. Here it is. My name is Maciek Samolski. Some of you might know me as Matt Samolski, and I'm the car guy. Started in car business back in 1998, started working at a car dealership. I was a salesperson. I was an internet manager. I helped to develop one of the first internet departments at the dealerships. Since back in 98, it was a PI era, which is pre-internet. But 99, 2000, we started actually getting some emails from customers. So I helped develop a website for a dealership that I was working at, helped develop an internet department. I was a sales manager after that. I was a used car manager for many, many years. And for a very short period of time, I was also a general manager of the store. So I'm not telling you to brag, but I'm telling you my background. So you can see that a lot of information that I'm going to tell you are based on experience. And hopefully what I'm going to tell you is going to help you purchase a vehicle. So um, that's the first reason behind this channel is I started this channel because I was getting a lot of phone calls from my previous customers and asking me, Maciek, hey, you know what, I'm looking for a car. I know you're out of the business already, but what should I buy? What kind of car should I buy? I'm looking for myself, I'm looking for my son, I'm looking for my daughter. Or, you know, I get a phone call, say, hey, I'm looking for this particular model. What can you tell me about it? So, you know, even though I'm out of the business, I would just go online and do some research, put my 2 cents, get back to a customer, say, hey, you know, I think you're right on track. You're looking for a great vehicle. Help them get the price that they want. Walk them through the process. Walk them through of what to look out for, you know, when they're walking into a dealership. And so I decided that this knowledge is important to a lot of people. And a lot of people that are in the other fields, they have no idea. And that make them more vulnerable, the dealerships can take advantage of them. So, and I want you to avoid being taken advantage of. So that's the first reason behind this channel. The second reason is um, I want to show you on the used cars, since used cars has been my dominant area. And when I was in the car business, I want to show you of how to shop for a used car. I want to show you of how to spot potential problems with the used cars, to see if it has been painted before, it has been worked on, maybe it's been flooded, how to read the Carfax report, and how to pick the best deal. And it's not always the lowest price. So if you are in the market for a vehicle, if you're looking to purchase a vehicle, not sure how to go about it, please hit like, please hit subscribe, because there's going to be videos that are coming up very soon of how to buy a car, and hopefully a little bit that I tell you, it's going to help you, you know, save a lot of money and get the best deal ever. Really, the second reason behind this channel is to review some of the vehicles that are coming out. I'm doing it anyways for myself. Every time a new car comes out, I'm usually ending up at the dealership, you know, sitting in it, looking at it, sometimes driving it, talking about it. So I want to do the same thing, but I just want to share that with other people. I've already spoken with some dealerships, and there's a few that are on board already to let me borrow their brand new cars for a couple hours so I can do, you know, a walk around, the review of that vehicle. I'm not getting paid for them. Okay, so please don't look at it as, hey, you know, this guy is getting paid for, you know, talking about these cars. Matter of fact, these reviews are going to be very biased. They're going to be biased on whether I like them or not. And I can't promise enough the dealer that I'm going to be nice to their cars. If I don't like them, I'm going to tell them that I don't like them. But so these are the two reasons really that I started this YouTube channel. It might develop into something a little bit different, but I want to try to post a video a week, at least a video a week, In the first few weeks, it might be a little bit more as I have a little bit more time right now. So again, if you didn't hit like and subscribe yet, please do so. And I will see you in my next video very, very shortly. Thank you and have a great day.